favorite here. Our new fall products are amazing, and one of my favorite, most used new fall products is this Weeknight skillet. I love it. It's a member of our Brilliance cookware line. Brilliance is a non-stick cookware that has a stainless bottom. This Weeknight skillet is kind of bowl-shaped. It's got pretty high walls. It makes it perfect for stir fries, skillet meals, you know, like one-pot pasta dishes. This is perfect. I love it for breakfast potatoes and scrambles, all that kind of thing. It's oven safe, like all of our cookware, and it comes with a beautiful glass lid so you can see what's going on when the lid is on. This has just been used so much, you guys. Every home needs a good skillet. I don't know about you, but I use cookware every single day in my home. Different sizes and what have you, but this is my go-to dinner and breakfast on the weekends pan. I absolutely love it. I love our Brilliance cookware. We've been so happy with it. Not only is it beautiful, but it has been so durable. I mean, we have used this pan a lot, at least 20, 25 times, and it looks brand spanking new. Not that it shouldn't after that amount of time, but it's going to look great for years to come. I love all my Brilliance cookware. These have a 10-year warranty. They're oven safe too, if I didn't mention that, and dishwasher safe too. So we have a couple other cookware lines too. In fact, we have 6 altogether. So we have the Brilliance, and then we have our signature nonstick, which is also just a lovely pan. This is just the square one. This actually also comes with a silicone steaming rack. These have the handles that remove. So if you're short on space, these might be a great option. These have a lifetime warranty. Again, oven safe, beautiful glass lids, and just really well made. Really, really nice pans. We also have stainless nonstick. Oh my gosh, these pans to me are like eye candy for your kitchen. And these have all of the qualities of stainless and the greatest qualities of nonstick. So cleanup is super easy, but you can sear foods in here and get that beautiful caramelized result that you want with these. So the stainless nonstick and the Brilliance both work on induction if you happen to have an induction stove. The signature does not. We also have cast iron, enameled cast iron, and our rock crocks, which are our enamel cookware that also go stove, microwave, oven, all that kind of stuff. One of the things I love about our Brilliance saucepans is that you can see it on this end. They have these holes for drainage and the little pour spout, so you actually don't even need to pull a colander out to drain. So, so, so handy. And then let me share one tip with you that I share all the time, but I think it's worth sharing again, especially if you haven't heard it before, and that is use your high quality cookware for defrosting your meats. You don't want to do it on the stove with the stove on, but if you put your frozen meat in a nice heavy gauge piece of cookware, cookware will distribute the temperature no matter if it's hot like when you're cooking or cold when you're defrosting, so that the meat is going to defrost evenly and quickly. So I put this in here. It's 11:30 now in the morning, and I put this in here around 9 o'clock. So 2.5, maybe it was a little earlier, 3 hours, and this 1.5 pounds of ground beef is completely thawed. It actually is still very cold. The pan is super cold, and it's ready to go in the fridge, and it's ready for tonight. It's not something you would put in the pan and let it thaw out all day long if you have to go to work. So it's while you're home. So use if you didn't take it out the night before and stick it in the fridge, use your cookware to quickly and safely thaw out your meats if you're going to be home for 2 or 3 hours. Okay, you guys, I love it. One of my favorite new fall products, the Weeknight skillet. And you can get any of our cookware for a great discount, half off as a host with a minimum $200 party. In fact, it's a very popular choice for hosts. And investing in good cookware, you will be so glad you did, because think about it. We just bought a new lawnmower at the beginning of summer. And I want to say that we didn't buy the most expensive one, but we didn't buy the cheapest one, and we wanted the name brand, the Honda. And so I want to say that lawnmower was $600 or $700. Number one, that's way more than any of this cookware is. But how often do you use a lawnmower? Like half the year, depending on where you live. We live in Northern California. We use the lawnmower, maybe we'll say 2/3 of the year. How often do you mow the grass? My husband mows the grass once a week when he's on his A game. Okay, and so we just spent, $600 or $700 for a tool that we're going to use maybe 30 times a year. And here, these I'm going to use like 30 times a month. And it's feeding your family. So if you have cookware that gives you headaches, you hate cleaning it up, things burn in it, what have you, think about having a party, because having great cookware will make you so much happier in the kitchen. Take my word for it. Okay, you guys, thanks so much. More to come in the next few days. I'm almost done with all the fall products, but not quite yet. Bye now.